So we're going to be looking at graphing quadratics. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with the graph of y equal x squared and graph these other two by using transformations. Okay, so remember the graph y equal x squared. Let me just put a little one here as reference. This is one of our common graphs. It's the parabola that opens up with the vertex at the origin 0, 0. So to use our transformation techniques, we're just going to think about how this would get shifted. So remember, when we are subtracting on the inside of the function, this would move right by 2 places. And then when we are adding on the outside of the function, this is going to move up 5 places. So if we take that shape, I'm going to pick the point for the vertex to move. It was at 0, 0, but I'm going to move it right 2 and up 5. So that puts the vertex at 2, 5. And then I still have the same general shape of what I had previously. So something like that. Should be curved, not pointy. I've got a little something on my table that's making my pencil kind of jerk around there. Okay, but there is what we have for our shape. Now, if we tie together some other things, our vertex is 2, 5. And you can pick that off right from the equation. So if this is an x minus 2, it will be a positive 2 for the x value of the vertex. And if this is a plus 5, we'll have a positive 5 for the y value of the vertex. So the opposite sign from what's listed for the x, same sign as what's listed for the y. Now on this next one, we still want to use our transformations. We'd have addition on the inside of our parentheses, so that means we're going to go left 3. And then there is a negative sign. Now remember, negative signs always mean to reflect or flip. Since the negative sign is on the outside of the parentheses, it's going to affect our y's, so we will reflect over the x-axis, because it's the x-axis that separates our positive y's from our negative y's. Alright, so if I use that, again taking the original shape of y equal x squared to transform it, I'm going to move that vertex left 3. And then I will flip the graph over the x-axis. So instead of opening up, it's now going to open down. Okay, and here is my vertex. It's at negative 3, 0. And again, if I tie that back in with the equation, it's a plus 3 on the inside of my parentheses, so I'll have a negative 3 for the x. There is no number added or subtracted, so it's a plus 0. And then also, or it's a 0 for the y. And then also for the shape, because there's a negative in front of my x squared, I know it's going to open down rather than open up.